Agriculture forms the basis of food production, one of the basic needs of humanity. It plays many important roles, from feeding the world population to economic growth. However, in today's rapidly developing world, the agricultural sector is experiencing a significant transformation with the influence of technology. The agricultural sector has become more efficient thanks to the integration of new generation technologies and digital applications. It has undergone a major transformation to ensure sustainability by causing less harm to the environment. Drones have revolutionized the agricultural industry. Fast and precise spraying offers advantages such as increased productivity, time and resource savings, monitoring of agricultural fields, and environmentally friendly practices. Drone technology plays a critical role in the sustainability of agriculture and product efficiency. Drones carry out spraying in the agricultural sector quickly and precisely. Drones, which can fly at an average speed of 45 km per hour, cover large areas in a short time. Thus, it saves time and resources. In addition, plant health is protected thanks to precision pesticide application. Agricultural drones save time, labor, medicine, and water. These savings offer economic and environmental benefits to farmers. Drone technology is an important tool that shapes the future of agriculture. Agriculture and technology play a critical role in ensuring healthy human nutrition and economic development. Drones make the agricultural sector more efficient and sustainable. It also offers significant advantages to farmers. Therefore, farmers' careful and conscious work with drone technology will help make the future of agriculture bright.